Good morning, Julina. Can you please introduce yourself?
Good day, everyone. My name is Julina Tanate and I'm 26 years old. And I was born July 21, 1998. And I'm from Gapal, Kawayan City, Isabela, Philippines. And my highest education attempt is senior high school graduate. And I'm married but my passport is single. And I have one daughter, she's 2 years old. I work as a housemaid in the Philippines from 2020 to 2022 and I serve one couple and one children, the age of 1 year old. My duties responsibilities is cooking, cleaning the house, washing the dishes, washing clothes, ironing, gardening, and also taking care of children and pets.
Okay, so what are the important things that you need to do when taking care of the kids?
Taking care, giving foods, giving milk, and taking care of bath and changing diaper.
Okay, so aside from taking care of the kids and the pet, okay, so can you also cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you love cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if we will give you a recipe that you have to cook Chinese dishes, can you follow it step by step?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You mentioned that your child is 2 years old.
Yes, right.
Okay, when you in case you will work in Hong Kong, may we know who will take care of your kid?
My mother, mom, and my husband.
Okay. Because we want to assure that this will not affect your contract, because your contract will be 2 years. Okay, so in case you are in Hong Kong, so this will not affect your job, because sometimes you will miss your kid like that. Okay, so we want to assure how many years you see yourself working in Hong Kong.
If I hired me, mom, I promise to be a good helper and I stay in your family as long as you need me. I hope that will choose me as your domestic helper.
Okay. Aside from that, we also want to ask, what is your preferred room? Okay, so if we will given you a job offer that you need to share room with the kids or elderly, is it okay to you?
Yes, ma'am, it's okay to me.
Okay, how about if you have a co-helper?
Okay.
Okay, also. Okay. So lastly, we want to assure that when you are in Hong Kong, you will not borrow money with your employer or any lending company in Hong Kong. Okay, can we assure to you that no borrowing of money?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So lastly, message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me and I promise to be a good helper and I stay in your family as long as you need me. I hope that will choose me as your domestic helper. Thank you and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.